Hello there everyone and welcome to episode 2 of Uthando, nesthembu, and this is the review. So without wasting any of your time, let's just get right on into it. Guys, this season Mayeni is not taking ish from anybody, and for the very first time she's decided to finally introduce to us her emotional side. So when Umosa decided to pay her a visit, she even refused to give him a kiss to show basically how irritated and how fed up she is about this entire wife number 5 conversation and a situation, you guys. Furthermore, it seems as though there is other underlying issues they have Yena no Musa. As a result, she did not want to reveal some certain information during her diary session, you guys. Now her tears just started rolling down her cheeks when she reminisced about the day Ubaba Mselegu said abahambe abahambaye yena uzosale eyincenga, referring to the fact that he wants to take number 5, and if they don't want that, then they need to vamosh, you guys. He further said that vele yena wabathola emadodeni, so therefore this means that should they decide to leave this polygamous marriage, they will not be wandering around. They will go back to the men ababenazo at that particular time. And unfortunately, you guys, this did not at all sit well with our Candy Crush lady, you guys. And this time around, she does say she wants nothing to do with this conversation because Ubaba Mselegu has failed numerous times to properly communicate and get the message across in a respectful manner, you guys. Now, although Mselegu tries to apologize and explain, the reason as to why he ended up saying those harsh words was because of Mangwabe's disrespect. He also revealed some shocking information on the fact that Mangwabe actually knew about Mayeni before angene esithendeni, guys. So ngicela simeni lapho before we continue with this entire conversation, you guys. If you remember properly, on the other seasons it was revealed to us, you guys, that Mayeni was actually supposed to be the first wife. She was supposed to be wife number 1. However, because she and her family needed time to think about isithembu, Mselegu unfortunately wabona ukuthi yena akashade umacele, you guys. So that is why Mayeni nomselegu ingane yabo eyokuqala ilingana nomshado wakhe nomacele. It's mainly because Mayeni needed time to think, so therefore she felt as though Umusa really betrayed her for doing what he did, for going out there and marry somebody and not wait for her, you guys. So Mayeni is busy trying to heal from leso sigaxa nje leso ukuthi this man decided, I'm pregnant, I'm heavily pregnant, I've just given birth, and my man, the man that I love, has just gotten married to somebody else, and I'll have to settle for being wife number 2. And uteksa njalo sazama ukuheala throughout the years. Then this man decides ukuthi, you know what, ngizomfaka esinye isilonda esibuhlungu kakhulu, I'm gonna take her friend. Now of course, in his defense, Umusa is like, oh, I didn't know that you guys were friends. Niyawazke guys amadoda, ugh, they always lie. So he's like, I didn't know that you guys were friends, but tell us, why were you not able to wait for Mayeni before taking Umacele? Like, what was pushing you to not wait for her? So Mayeni is deeply hurt. She's feeling betrayed, and she's saying, you know what, enough is enough. I will not be even attending those meetings of wife number 5 because you are not considering my feelings, and awufuni ukungibona ukuthi where I'm coming from, why I am so hurt and why I feel so betrayed. Furthermore, what you tell me and the things you do are not communicating, because your actions are actually showing that you no longer care about me. Vele, this is what a person does uma umuntu esengenandaba naye and esengamthandi. You will go ahead and do whatever it is that you want, but mina Mayeni, I want nothing to do with this entire meeting of number 5. So there you guys have it. What are your thoughts on this one? Honestly speaking, I feel so bad for our Candy Crush, and moreover that Mangwabe literally does not want to hear anything about wife number 5 when she has betrayed her own friend like that. How dare she say she wants nothing go number 5 she should be the last person to not understand ukuthi umusa ufuna omunye umkosikazi at this point. So what are your thoughts, you guys? Please do share that with me down on the comment section, like this video, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.